The video you're about to watch is about the Sentricon baiting system. We've been working with this system since its introduction into Australia. We were involved in field trials. We have a designated division that looks after. We have specialised technicians that purely do Sentricon. This video will go on and explain to you about the installation right through to the inspection, monitoring and eventual colony elimination of the termites with the system. The technicians will be out with cords and so on for the various equipment that they'll be using for the installation. So to avoid any sort of hazards to the pets, if you can keep them inside during the installation of the system, after that it's quite safe for you to be around. But best to just be inside while the treatment is being done. Certainly the technician will make themselves available during the installation. They may come in from time to time, talk to you about what they're doing and keep you up to date with what's going on, and then obviously show you at the end of the day the result of the treatment. And a lot of our clients are very, very impressed with the end results. It depends on the level of risk, and the technician will determine the inspection frequency to the system, and sometimes stretching out longer depending on the time of the year as well. So winter we won't be coming out as frequently as we would be during summer. If it's a standard home, might take anywhere between 6 to 7 hours, and sometimes less obviously. Some sites can be difficult for access, those sloping blocks and so on, but in most cases it's done within the 5 to 6 to 7 hour period. The technician would like to, where possible, and depends on where there's activity, install up to about 3 above ground stations. So these are the cream type stations, rectangular box that would be installed inside. And this increases the chances of getting colony elimination, because sometimes we can get feeding in 2 of the above ground stations or only 1. And in that way, the beautiful thing about the system is we can transfer the bait. So we can decommission that particular station, or we can use it as a monitoring, and they can transfer the bait into that particular station as well. What we're trying to do is make it a conducive termite environment. The technician may install a station initially and then see that there's an opportunity to install other stations around there. And that's obviously going to increase our chances of getting colony elimination, which is what we're aiming for, obviously, for the client. The only damage will be is where obviously the termites have been in your home or are currently at the time where they actually install the station. And this is only minimal. It's where they put in a station that is 15 centimetres by about 10 centimetres. And this can be removed and then the surface be repaired later.
No worries with the team from Murray's.